Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for the returners. Thank you. I do appreciate. Today, I wanted to talk about ignorance, which is not a good thing. It's not a good thing at all to ignore. Sometimes it can be relationship or something. When someone tells you something, you just ignore. Just like information can be something very important. Someone is trying to pass through you, and you just ignore. Ignorance is very bad, and each and every one of us, please let us try not to ignore even some people in our lives, those we love, our family, maybe in a relationship. And when someone is ignoring you, what can you do? If you are somebody who can, you've seen that signs that since someone is trying to ignore me, I'm trying to pass this message, he or she is not responding. If you want to go ahead and ask, you can ask, like, what did I do to you? Did I do anything wrong? I'm sorry. If you don't want to know, you just have to know that's it's over. It's over. You have to move. You have to move and move on. You don't need to be stuck because someone is ignoring you. You come fast. I've done another video about self love. I've done about if you love yourself and know who you are, you should not just be dragging people. Some people just ignore you for no reason. Some people are busy. People are busy now working on their own stuffs. And when maybe sometimes you may just judge, you say somebody's ignoring my test, ignoring my course, but people are busy doing this and that. Before you judge, you try to find out. And if you know if for 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 real this person is ignoring you, don't take it too personal. Just, it's okay, I'll move on, I'll go on with my life. There is no problem. But please try as much as we can. Also, me and you, we try so much not to ignore things, not to ignore people, not to ignore any small things in life. Someone can tell you, oh, now you're try to work on your weight, and this you just ignore. And that's somebody was just telling you for a good example. Don't ignore some things. Doctor will tell you don't take sugar, and you're like, ah, I don't care. Don't ignore. It's bad to ignore things, bad to ignore people. It's not a good vibe. It is not. It just drain your spirit. You just don't feel well with somebody. Whatever you want to do, I always say in this channel, whatever you want someone to do for you, do unto them, so that we grow together. Every day we are learning. Also, me, I'm sorry if I've ever ignored you in one way or another. You, my family, friends, I may ignore you another. I'm sorry. Try to also, if you know, like you've not returned a text for somebody, you've just like been busy, just tell them, I'm sorry. It's not that I'm ignoring you, I'm have this. And if somebody have ignored you at this, no, this especially, I'm talking about relation, you have to know it is done, my dear. If you ask them, they don't reply, you're just pushing. Move on. Take care of who you are. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you. For those who have not watched other video, please try. They are simple time. They are so many. They are just 3 minutes, 4 minutes. My videos are short, but they're direct. What I feel in my heart to share with you. Love you for the return subscriber. Those who are coming in, thank you. We are heading to the 8th level. Level 8, floor 8. 8 is a number of infinite, is a good number. Love you. Cheers. God bless you. Don't ignore anyone. Don't ignore information. Be someone who's always alert, and know when someone do something for you, don't take it for granted. Don't ignore. Love you. Cheers. Bye.